Hello everyone, good morning children. Today we are going to see about a chapter number 8, that is changing a desktop and screensaver. See, in few books it has mentioned a Windows XP and in few books it has mentioned a Windows 7. Don't get confused children. Okay. So Windows 7 and Windows XP, even we have Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay. So all those concepts that I am explaining, it is applicable for all the Windows. Okay. Here in this chapter we are going to learn about Windows 7 operating system. It can be a Windows 7 or Windows XP. Okay. And next we are going to learn about a desktop. What is a desktop? Next is a screensaver, and next changing the screensaver. How we can change our screensaver. Next Windows 7 operating system. First, what is an operating system? Why we call it as a OS? Okay. Operating system is an essential software program. It is a software program, children. Operating system is an essential software program. So when you are going to the higher classes, so then you will learn a operating system in a detailed manner. Okay. You can learn in a higher classes very detailedly about a operating system. Operating system is nothing but it is an essential software program. Okay. And again, it manages the hardware and software resources of the computer. If we take a computer, we have hardware and software resources, right? Yes. So the operating system, OS only, will manage the hardware and software resources of a computer. Windows 7 is an operating system required for the system to function. So we need a Windows. It is an operating system, children. We need an operating system to run our function, run our system. So when if we want to function our system, first of all we require the operating system. Okay. Again I am repeating this 3 points. Operating system is an essential software program. It manages the hardware and software resources of a computer. And Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10, it is an operating system required for the function, required for the system to function. Okay. Next, I told that next we are going to learn about the desktop, right? What is a desktop? Graphical user interface. Desktop, graphical user interface, that is a GUI, that usually contain windows, icons and dialog boxes, is called as a desktop. Okay, so see here children. See here children, this is a desktop. This is a desktop. So it contains a windows, icons and dialog boxes. See here, it contains a windows, icons and dialog boxes. This part completely is called as a desktop. It is otherwise called as a wallpaper. See, it is otherwise called as a wallpaper. Okay. Desktop is nothing but it is a background area on the computer. Desktop is a background area on the computer screen, and it is a graphical user interface that contains the windows, icons and dialog boxes. Okay. And it is otherwise called as a wallpaper. Okay. We can change the appearance of our desktop also, children. See here, how our screen is looking like. It is a start button, right? In the background, in the screen background, we have an image like start button. So if you want to change the background image, so right click on the desktop, click the personalize option. After clicking the personalize option, there will be the option like desktop background. There will be the options like desktop background. Okay. You can choose any images by clicking a browse or click the drop down list. You can choose any library like pictures library or top rated photos. Okay. You can choose anything and click a browse. Okay. After that, you can fix the time for each images keep on changing on your background. Okay. You can change the images and by fixing the required time. For example, you can keep the 10 seconds for each images. It should be keep on changing. Okay. And again you can fix the position for your image. You can fill the image with your desktop. You can make your image fit with the desktop, stretch, tile and center. If it is a center, you just see. So it will be available, it will be looks in the center part of your screen. Okay. See here, it is a center. This is the center part that we fixed. You can apply the changes like you can give a tile. If I give tile, you just see here. Okay. After that, you can make your image stretch. Okay, it is stretch. Already in grade 3 you learned the stretch and skew options. Next, you can make your image fit to your desktop. Okay. Or else you can fill a image to your desktop. Okay. Again I am repeating the steps, children. Just give a right click. Click the personalize option. In personalize option, you will get a desktop background. So in desktop background, after choosing a required image, you can fix the any timing for the image. After doing all the changes, click a save changes. Then only the particular change that you did will be applied to that following process. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about a screensaver concept. Screensaver is a moving picture or a pattern that appears on the screen. Okay. Screensaver is a moving pictures or a pattern that appears on the screen. It was originally designed to prevent the damage to the computer system. It's mainly designed to prevent the damage, children. So screensaver is a moving picture or a pattern that appears on the screen. So when the system is inactive, when we are not using the system for more than 5 minutes, that time the screensaver will appear. Okay. To apply the screensaver, you just give a right click a personalize option. There will be the screensaver. Okay. And you can insert a sound also. When we insert a pen drive or when we insert a mobile phone, we'll get a notification sound, yes or no. So those things can be applied in a sounds. Now I'm clicking screensaver option. Here by default we don't have any screensaver and just I'm giving a bubbles. Okay. For 1 minute, if the system is inactive, so that time the bubbles will be keep on displaying on your screensaver. Okay. So after giving a changes, you can click OK. You just see for 1 minute I am not going to touch my mouse for doing any changes in the desktop. So after 1 minute you will get a bubbles. Okay. See here, you got the bubbles, right? Yes. So when the system is inactive, when we are not using the system, that time you'll get a screensaver like this. Even you can get a 3D text, you can get a bubbles, you can make anything. Okay. So again, if you press the mouse button, that screensaver will be disappeared. Okay. Just give a right click, click a personalize, again go to the screensaver. We have options like 3D text, blank, bubbles, photos and ribbon. See here, we'll try a 3D text. Okay. By default, it is showing a Windows 7. We can change any name in the settings. Okay. Here I can give a BBPS, our school name. After doing here, you can select a color for your text also. So after clicking the custom color, click on the choose color. You can choose any color. Okay. After choosing a color, click OK. And again click OK here. See here. So you can preview your screensaver also. See, like this you will get. Okay. So you can apply the 3D text, you can give a photos also, you can give a bubbles also. So when the system is inactive, that time you will get a screensaver like this. Just try it in your system or laptop, children. Okay. After doing all the changes, click OK. Again we'll wait for 1 minute. Let's see how the screensaver will exactly working. Okay. See here, children, we got the screensaver like this, our school name. Okay. So already I explained you how to change the screensaver. You need to right click on your desktop system and choose the personalize option and click on the screensaver option. Okay. So these are the steps to change your desktop and screensaver. You just try it in your computer system or in a laptop. Okay. Now I request everyone to open your textbook for writing our exercise part. Okay. I told everyone to take a page, told you to take a textbook, right? Take a page number 69, children. First main, fill in the blanks. A dash is a user interface. Graphical user interface. Yes. Windows is a graphical user interface. Second one, dash is required for the system to function. We required a operating system, that is OS. The dash area on the computer screen is called a desktop background. A dash is a moving picture that appears on the screen when you don't use a computer for a certain period of time. It's a screensaver. Next, fifth one, you dash open the screensaver by clicking on the desktop. You can't open the screensaver by clicking on the desktop. Next, true or false, Windows XP is an operating system. Is true. Children, I am repeating here. Maybe in your textbook you may get Windows 7 concept. Okay. Second one, wallpaper is a background area on the computer screen. True. You can set a password to the screensaver. Yes, we can set. True. Screensaver will damage your computer screen. No, it won't damage our screen because it will protect our computer screen. You can change the desktop and screensaver from the display property dialog box. Yes, we can change it. True. Match the following. First one, desktop. Desktop is a wallpaper. Desktop is also called as a wallpaper. Screensaver, that is Windows XP or a Windows 7. Operating system. It manages your computer. Fourth one, display property. It helps you to change the background. So 4. So I request everyone to copy the same in your textbook, children. Just to try it in your computer system. In case any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you, children. Bye.